What's up, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. When I asked for more power, I asked for overkill to the max, way overboard amounts of power. And that's what I think I got here. It's miisso, not the soup. It's a power bank, which you might be able to see here on the back label here, 20,000 milliamp hours. So I'm excited about checking this bad boy out. I like having one power bank that is just wicked overkill. You can see we have an instruction booklet here. It does come with a very small micro USB cable as well, which is kind of nice. And here is the power bank. And the reason is I actually don't mind the little power banks that have, the built-in cords and all that. They are definitely very useful. And I'm a big fan of having those when you need them and taking them on trips and putting them in your backpack or day pack. But, if I'm going to carry one power bank, I really wanted to have massive amounts of capacity. And you can see here, they are advertising 20,000 milliamp hours silked right on here. We have a little dimpling pattern up here. It says miisso up here. And this thing is pretty large. Fits in my hand. It's here. I'm going to show you iPhone XS Max for comparison. It's roughly the same dimensions, length and width. But obviously thickness, it's not. It's probably 3 phones thick. Yeah, 3 phones thick. And plastic construction here, what we have is a LED flashlight, fast in and out, a USB-C, fast in, micro USB for charging up. Looks like we have little LEDs there, 25% represented with each light. Fast out, USB-A, power button right there, and on this end, nothing. So if I hold down this button, usually what we'll get is, first of all, we get the light showing that it's 75% charged, and then we also get the flashlight turned on. Now, if I hold this down, usually that flashlight will go off. So holding down the button, that's what I mean there. 3 LED lights showing that it's kind of charged. Now, just take your USB cord here and charge up your device, plug that in, and whether you're using micro USB or lightning or USB-C to USB-C or this out to USB-C, it's really great. And the nice thing about this 20,000 milliamp hour, honestly, you could use it to charge up iPhones, iPods, Android phones, tablets, but 20,000 milliamp hours, I could probably trickle charge my laptop with this thing, and that's what makes it so wicked cool. So I am really excited about using this. I'll put a link to it in the description if you want to pick one up. Peter Von Panda out.